Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's December 19th. Today was a pretty negative day for the grain markets. We're just going to go individually here, corn, beans, and wheat. Corn down about 17 cents today. We hit new 5-month lows today for corn. So a lot of technical selling. We saw a big volume day today as this market shifted to the downside. But a big technical selling was most of the reason. Also concerns yet of weaker demand. So we've got to go down till we get to some demand, I guess, and that's what we had seen. We went down to the $7 level. We held the $7 level, but closing right near $7.03. So we'll see if we take that out. The next level support down near $6.80. And, certainly with these charts and where we've closed today, if we are unable to recover here tomorrow, they're going to look pretty bad. So we did have some numbers out by Informa. Informa came out with their guess as far as acreage for new crop. They came out at 99 million acres, so that helped fuel the downside here as well. As far as beans, Informa's numbers a little less acres, 78.9 million. So it's less than their last guess that they've had. But beans still struggling, down 29.5 cents for beans. Some follow-through selling from yesterday as we saw some cancellations for beans from China, also 140,000 from unknown, followed by some technical selling as well. So question here is, what are export sales going to look like tomorrow? We've got some larger numbers that they're expecting. First off, for beans, they're looking for 650,000 to 850,000, and that's we'll see if we're able to get to that. With these cancellations, that'll be on this report, so we'll watch for that. Now that we've broke as much as we have, not only beans but also corn, are we going to find some new demand? Wheat was only down a nickel today. We are finding some stronger sales. Some more demand here for wheat. We've got that March Chicago contract near $8 right now. We are finding Egypt coming in, buying some wheat. You've got a lot of chatter out there of other countries needing wheat as well, and looks like we're one of the cheaper guys in the bunch. So that could potentially give us more demand here for wheat, and that may end up, hopefully can hold some support here, and that may even drag corn and beans out with it. But looking at corn, beans, and wheat is probably the stronger of the three, and we'll have to see if that reaction can take place here tomorrow. But as I mentioned, we need to see some kind of recovery here tomorrow and close strong in order for the bulls to come back in or give some kind of hope to these markets today with some pretty negative closes. Some of the outside markets, the dollar, once again pulling back down about 8 cents. But crude oil continues this path higher, up $1.50. We did go up above that $90 mark today. We were not able to close above that, but we did go above that once again. So we've seen this steady increase right now as far as the energies, and we'll see how that. We're going to need to check that out and see if we can continue that path at this point. But a close up above 90 is going to look pretty good as far as crude oil. In the livestock, fat cattle rallying $1.50 today, so up $1.50, 134.50, right near the highs today. Box beef came in, choice up 58, select up 160. That's helping support the cattle market. But the main concern right now, we've got a storm approaching. So tomorrow into Thursday, or through tomorrow into Friday. A lot of areas, Nebraska's talking 6 to 9 inches. That's keeping more of a friendlier tone on the market right now, and we'll see if this storm does materialize or not. But we've seen this stretch higher over the last few days. We've got to be a little careful with that. Something else that's friendly in the cattle right now is the cattle on feed report that's coming out on Friday. Some of the expectations right now are friendly. The bulls are certainly hanging on to that. We're looking for 6 months straight of lower placements. So that's going to start hitting right now as well, and that's going to keep more of this friendlier tone. But hogs, same scenario. As I mentioned, we've got Nebraska looking at getting some snow. It's supposed to come up right through Iowa, also into the northern part of Illinois and Wisconsin. but they're talking right now anywhere 6 to 12 inches through Iowa, and that's that had hogs up $1.30 today, 86.65, very strong yet. We'll see if we can keep cash market higher, but right now this seems like some excitement here strictly from the storm. Something else that I didn't mention as far as grains, this storm that is coming through, something else that's kind of giving kind of more of a negative tone to this thing is that we are getting some moisture. So through Nebraska, Iowa, as I mentioned, northern Illinois into Wisconsin, bringing through some snow, and if you're not getting snow, you're probably getting rain. So it's quite a system coming through right now, and it is giving some relief to this soil moisture issue that we have, and I think that kind of helped out in the grains as well. But this storm will be here tomorrow. Continue watching that. That's going to be the big talk for tomorrow as well. But I want to direct you guys here to our website. As you guys may tell, we've changed things up a little bit. We've got a new look to the website, and I want to invite you guys to that. So certainly go to our same address, allendale-inc.com. But it is a new format for you, and we'd like some feedback there as well. But just want to direct you to that and make you guys aware of some of the changes that we've made to the website as well. Give us a call with questions. A lot of action here today. We're going to see a lot of volatility here tomorrow as well as we get into the holiday weekend. But give us a call, 800-262-7538, or check us out online, allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.